Tall Trees Trail is a 1.5 mile circular walk that is home to the New Forest's largest trees. It's an easy walk leaving from the car park and suitable for most fitness levels. I spent a couple of hours here wandering around and seeing what sort of photos I could get as I went. The car park for the Tall Trees Trail is located on Rhinefield Ornamental Drive, which is accessed via the main A35 that runs through the New Forest. Take care, as crossing the cattle grid from the main road usually means there will be wild animals roaming around. If you come in this way, there is a car park on the right called Brockenhurst Car Park. Just under a mile further up the road is the main Blackwater car park. The car park is a decent size, but it can fill up quickly at weekends and in the summer, so bear that in mind. Here you'll find plenty of signs telling you about the area, and this is one of the few car parks in the New Forest with a toilet block. The trail starts right by the car park, but take care as you do have to cross the road. Welcome to Blackwater Car Park, the start of the Tall Trees Trail, it's easy to say, in the New Forest. The start of the trail is right off the car park here, and we're going to head that way now. Hoping to get some great photos today of the tall trees around us, but the first thing that I have spotted, this looks like a freshly fallen tree, which after all the rain and wind we've had is not surprising. So the Tall Trees Trail starts just as you cross the road. It's 1.5 miles in length, but I'm heading up to the Arboretum, which will extend the walk to just over 2 miles, and I'm hoping to get some great photos of these beautiful trees. So just walking around here, got a couple of glimpses of the tall trees that we've come to see, or that I've come to see. Going to put a couple of photos in now. And it's pretty cool that they stick the name of the or the type of tree on the tree, Japanese cedar, and it's obviously come from Japan. So pretty good to know. Let's continue around this trail. This is the Arboretum Trail. See if I can get some photos on the way. Put them on the screen as I go today, I think. And even though it's not a very long trail, there are lots of these seats dotted around. If you need to take a break, sit down, enjoy the trees, enjoy the scenery. So that way there does go back down to the gate where we came in, but I'm going to carry on this way and finish off the short circular that we're doing here. So the path around the Arboretum part is largely gravel and compact, so you shouldn't have too much problems. Even in the wet weather, and we've had a lot of wet weather recently. Easy walk, but now I'm heading back out the gate where I came in a minute to head to the main Tall Trees walk, which goes up one side of the road and back down the other, and it's about a 20-minute walk all the way around, I think, if you don't stop. So some more tall trees here. Let's see if I can get a couple of photographs in there, but quiet here today as it is a Tuesday morning in term time, but coming in the summer, which we've done before at a weekend or in the holidays, and it really does get busy, car parks packed, and it's a challenge, but nice and quiet here today, which is nice. So if the sign is led to be believed, the Douglas fir is a very important tree for timber. So there we go, the Arboretum loop done. Heading now back down to the road where I crossed at the start, and we're going to head off on the main tall trees trail, which heads down one side of the road, like I said, crosses over and then heads back down the other side.
So as mentioned, the trail does run either side of the road, which can be busy, so important to keep an eye on young children and dogs, just in case. Dotted around they have these wooden boards with facts and knowledge about what is nearby, and just here we have this enclosure bank built in 1848 to protect trees from larger wildlife because the trees were being grown for timber. And here are a couple of redwoods which are native to America. These two are the largest in the New Forest. They weigh over 105 tons and they're still growing.
These are apparently the largest trees in the New Forest at 105 tonnes, and they are still growing. If I can just... Oh, it's hard to get photos on my own doing this. But look how wide it is. See if I can get a bit closer. This wide angle lens is definitely not doing it justice. Let me see if I can get a photo of me up against it, which is never easy on your own. ...21 metres roughly in diameter, walking around the base, which I know is not quite the diameter, but 21 metres to walk around it. Well, that's pretty much it. That's this side of the tall trees walk done. We're going to cross the road in a second and head back down the other side, which takes us straight back to the car park. Would definitely recommend this walk. This is the second car park just here. The other one is full. This isn't as big, so you have to get here probably quite early if you want to get a space, or be prepared to wait for people to come and go. But we are heading back over the road and then back down the other side to the car park. So I have a feeling that this is the better side in terms of the trees and the walk and things like that. If anything of interest on the other side, we'll have a look on the way back down. That's where we've just crossed. We are now heading this way. So I did read somewhere that these white markers If you follow the post with the white markers on, they'll take you all the way back to the car park. Still the odd tall tree to be seen on this side. Here's another one of those white posts, which means we are on the right track. So there we go, that is a tall trees walk done on Rhinefield Ornamental Drive. Here we are back at the van now, or here I am back at the van. I hope you enjoyed that photo walk. Like, comment, share and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next video.